favourite diamond painting nerd, and welcome to another video. I am going to be working on this project today. I don't think it's going to take me long to kit up. There's only 8 colours in it. Excuse me. It is a Marvel Avengers crystal art card kit. This one is of Iron Man. So it's my husband's birthday coming up in a week, and I bought this last year at a craft show. And I thought I'll put it away. And this was before I was diamond painting. So I thought, when I saw it, I thought, oh, that looks really cool. And he loves Iron Man. So this is why I got it. But as it was, I've actually turned out to be a diamond painter. Anyway, so here we are. So I put this up and I now need to get on and actually complete it. It's from a company called Craft Buddy, which I believe are a UK company. Yep, they are a UK company, and I believe they've got a website as well. So in this kit you get the card, the envelope, you get the bags of crystals, the crystal pickup pen as they call it, jelly wax, and the tray. I think what I'm going to do though is I'm going to just use my smaller box, this one, to kit up. This has got 8 numbers because I actually used this for a kit that had 8 numbers in. These are going to be numbered. I am going to be using vinyl to number these boxes when I get time to get those cut on my cutting machine. So we have let's see what we've got in here. So we've got oh, teeny tiny little boat. There are some bags which I won't be using. There is some wax that actually, this feels really thick compared to the other waxes that I've got. So I don't know if I'm going to be using that, but we'll see. And then we have a pen, and there's also a multi-placer on the end as well, which is interesting. But I probably won't be using that. It's going to not take too long anyway to get this finished. So let's get the drills out and see what we have. So we have 3 of these just clear silver crystals, and these go in the hands and then in his arc reactor. And then we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 of these, and then we have I think the DMC codes are, well, it says crystal codes, but that's a let's move that in the shot. That's a DMC code 310. So I think that's what I'm working with. So let's grab some scissors and let's do this in order of number. So we have number 1, which is the 310s. Now this is going to be a little confusing actually, because these are not numbers on here, these are letters. So I think what I'll do is I'll pop them in, and then I'll just write on each of the labels, if I can get these out of the packet. Yeah, these aren't the best packets. They seem to be wanting to get stuck in here. So let's try and open that up. They're only 310s, so I should be able to delve into my stash if I need any more. So I think what I'm going to do, because that says number 1, if I can find where I've put my my pen, put it somewhere so safe for me to remember where I put it, but I can't find it. So let's just grab another one. Ah, it's up here. Okay, cool. So I'm going to write A. So I know that's A. And then I think what I'll do is number 8 are these 3. So I might as well pop those in. Oh, wrong way. Might as well pop those in whilst I've got this one out. Oops. Those 3 can go in there. And then I said that was going to be I. Okay. Then let's move on to number 2. So number 2 is the bees. And let's get those. Oh, I knew I was going to do that. Yeah, these don't want to easily come out the packets, but it's not too much of a problem. Okay, and then I'm just going to write B in brackets. I've actually got some more of these little storage boxes coming because I've decided that I'm going to try and, rather than just having all of the drills in my storage drawer, these are C's, I want to try and maybe get them kitted up in these boxes to have them ready to go. And it's only going to be for the smaller canvases. I've got the 30 pot, this one which I bought for traveling, because it's the smaller one. I've also got the 60 pot one, but I don't think I've got anything in my stash that is going to require those either. Well, that's a 30. These are 28 pots, and I think most of the ones that I've got are all under 28 colours, so I can just get on and kit up in these. I didn't think I was going to enjoy using these at first, because when I did an unboxing video of this is just from Shein. When I did an unboxing video, it was really hard to open these pots, but as I've gone through them, actually it's not been a problem. So I actually really enjoy using them. So this is E. So let's get all those in there. And I have limited time to get this done and finished before hubby gets home from work. So he knows that I've got this. I think he's seen it, but I still want it to be a bit of a surprise. There's no F, so it goes straight into G. And let's get those in there. There we go. And then the last one, that is G. As I said, I'm not too worried. Excuse me, I'm not too worried about writing on these because they're going to be replaced with vinyl numbers anyway. So, and then these ones. These ones are crystal, so they are, I think all of them are regular. This is H. All of them are regular normal drills, apart from these ones that I've just done, number 7, and also the 3 larger ones there as well. So I'm going to go ahead and get all of this cleared off of my desk, ready to make a start. Okay, so I have my colours ready. I have my, I'm not going to use the one from the kit. I'm just going to use my, my pen that I've got at the moment. And I'm just going to peel the whole sheet off. So we actually have, yeah, the card and the envelope. There's no sentiment inside the card, so it can work for any occasion. So I think I'm going to start, maybe fold the card out so it's flatter on the table, and hopefully there's no glare. Let's move that there. I think the easiest one, let's get I out of the way, and I'm going to get, let's see if my pen is sticky enough at the moment to pick these up. And that was a complete and utter fail. Let me just see if I can move that in place. And then we've got the one. Oh, goodness me. It's because I'm using that pen. Perhaps using tweezers might actually get me a better placement. Let's try and do this with the last one. And then that can go on there. There we are. Okay. So then I think I'm going to maybe do the H's, which are the ones around. I think that's the only H's that are in there. Let's grab. I get to use my new little tray from Add More Zest, which I'm loving. This is the larger of the two trays. So these are little blue crystals by the looks of things. And then these each go around the larger gems. And these crystals look very good quality. I've got no trashy ones in there at all, so we'll see what the drills are like when I come to use those. And I'm hoping this card is going to come together fairly quickly. Like I said, I've only got a limited amount of time to get this done. Oh, I'm loving this. To get this done before hubby gets home from work. Oops. Let's go all the way around. And then I think what I'm going to do is I will show you the process of me completing this card. But I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the video on fast forward, and then I'll do a time lapse of me completing this card, so you can get to see the end product without sitting here for the next hour or so with me adding the gems. So stay right where you are, and I'm just going to pop the video on fast forward, and I'll catch you at the end when it's all complete. Okay, so my card is finished. How awesome is that? I love it. So, oops, I've got a couple of stray yellow ones. I accidentally dropped a load of drills, which you probably saw me cleaning up. But yeah, I'm really impressed with this, and I hope that the hubby is going to love it. So all that's left to do is just to write in the card and gift it to him on his birthday. So thanks very much for joining me for today's video. I like this short little project. I think it probably took me about an hour to do that, which is crazy, right? Thinking of how big that is, but it's how long diamond painting takes. So yeah, it took me about an hour in total, which wasn't too bad. And I'm really, really impressed with the outcome of the project. And I enjoyed it. So yeah, thanks for joining me. If you've enjoyed today's video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new here, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you get notified when I upload. And don't forget to drop a comment below. Just say hi, tell me who you are, whereabouts in the world you're from. I'd love to get to know a few more diamond painting friends from around the world. So yeah, thanks again, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.